Okay, let's talk about views. So if we go up here, we can go to view and we can see all sorts of different things in here. Now, I honestly don't use too much of this. I really just use explore, search, and extensions for the most part. So this is my little sidebar here, and I can get rid of this. Just snap it closed. And I can go to file and say explore, and that opens that up. There are shortcuts for this as well. So if you want to open up your Explorer, for me, it's Command-Shift-E, and that just opens it. So if I close this again, put my mouse right in the middle so you know I'm not doing anything, Command-Shift-E, it just opens it for me. There's also extensions, which we talked about at the very beginning of this, this VS Code module or course or tutorial. And there is terminal. Now there's a bunch of other things in here, and you can change your appearance, your editor layout. Oh, one thing I like to do with my appearance is I like to show my sidebar and my status bar, but I don't really like to show my activity bar or my panel. So if you just want to see what this looks like, it's just your panel down there. And that's where you can see like your terminal and things like that. I don't like too many things open. I like to be able to focus on the code. So if this ever gets closed and you're like, oh, I don't know where that went, you can always just go to view, extensions, or explore or search. We'll talk about search in the next video. I just tend to open up Explorer because that's where most of my files are, and that's what I want to be seeing. Is I want to see my files on my left.